you guys have been waiting for a new video where I'm talking to you guys one-on-one and telling you guys how did I get a Rolls Royce at the age of 20. And in today's video, inshallah, I'm gonna break down every single thing that I did in order to achieve this beauty right here. Now, if you guys haven't seen the video where I sort of unboxed my Rolls Royce, make sure you guys check it out. And right now, I'm just gonna show you guys the interior of this beauty, as you guys can see. And if you guys didn't know, Rolls Royce was one of my biggest dream cars that I ever thought about. And alhamdulillah, for me to have it at the age of 20 is a true blessing. But if you want to have it at the age of 16, 20, 25, no matter how old you are, and if you want to truly have a Rolls Royce too, you gotta watch this video because I'm gonna explain everything step by step, the way that you guys can do it too, inshallah. So right now, we're gonna go inside the restaurant, get some food. Inshallah, I'm gonna tell you guys how exactly I did it. Alright guys, we just got done eating, alhamdulillah. Now the main topic, why you guys are here for. I wanna tell you guys how I actually afforded a brand new Rolls Royce at the age of 20, alhamdulillah. I wanna tell you guys the complete story and I wanna cut it short, straight to the top. I actually started dropshipping 3 years ago when I was actually 17. At 17, I got a promotion for TikTok from a dropshipping brand and I got 10% payout for every sale that I got. I got 800 dirham payout and I was surprised that I got this much amount of money, which was a lot of money for me at that time. Then I contacted the brand owner and I told him I want to learn it from you, and he told me he charges around 250 to 500 dirhams per week for teaching me. Now for me to actually pay that amount, it was not really easy, it was very hard, but since I had this 800, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pay him back the 500 and actually start learning it from him. So I paid that amount and actually started my mentorship, and after 1 week I completely went broke. I didn't have the amount to pay for the second week and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna end it right here. So as soon as I stopped my first week of mentorship, literally 6 months later, I got enough money to start a brand again, but this time only 700 dirham. This 700 dirham came to me after I won the Student of the Year award in my college, and after winning the prize I had 700 in my pockets, and that time Sunset Lamp was booming. Sunset Lamp was doing so good. I straight up went ahead, started a store for Sunset Lamp, and as soon as I got an influencer to promote it for me because I didn't have money for advertisement, I got 70 orders in the same night. One of the best feelings ever, alhamdulillah, and I can never forget that night when I was getting sales, and it was the best feeling ever. I promise, I remember this one day specifically. This one night I was on my way home and it was actually the Isha prayer time. I did not pray Isha, which is the last prayer of the night. On my way home, I found this one small masjid. I went inside, I prayed, and I started going in sajda, prostration, and I started crying. I was like, Ya Allah, Ya Rabbil Alameen, you make this work for me. Because I was in such weird position that I wanted success so badly, and alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed me with it in the best possible way. Now all the time I say alhamdulillah, and I say that all of my success belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Almighty, and I truly believe that everyone could possibly work hard, but if you're not close to God, you're not going to be successful neither in this dunya or the akhirah, which is this world or the hereafter. Now, if you want to start dropshipping, what is the process, how you can get started, and what's the secret behind winning in dropshipping and making sales in 2024? I will start off by telling you guys that product research is the most important thing you could ever possibly think of in dropshipping. Product research is the top tier A-level thing that you have to keep in mind, more than your store, more than the way you build your store, more than the store design, more than the applications you're gonna have inside your Shopify store. More than anything, your product matters the most. And that's why I want to tell you guys the secret about my product research that I've been doing for the past couple of months, which has been crazy, getting me high amount of sales. And I want to tell you guys what that is. That is Winning Hunter. And right now we're gonna jump into my computer, show you guys how to use this tool that has been making me so much money and how you guys can take advantage of it. The moment of truth, boys. I'm gonna show you guys one of the best product research method that you guys can currently use in 2024. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I find my winning products. Now the first thing I do is visit winninghunter.com. Now this is a tool that tops up any other product research method that you guys could possibly think of, and the reason is quite simple. With the amount of things that they have, it's gonna surprise you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys each one of these things in less than 3 minutes, just so you guys understand it all and just so you guys can take advantage of it too, inshallah. To find winning products on Winning Hunter on the Facebook ads section, all I have to do is literally put a keyword at the start and then search for keyword like ad text or landing URL or page name, but I'm gonna choose all. Over here in countries, I could even choose the countries and United States, United Kingdom, the top 2 countries. The other thing that I usually do is choose the ad spend that's $5,000 or above $5,000 that could be $10,000. These are the changes that I could potentially make in order to see the top winning products. Now if I click on apply and if I keep scrolling, boys, you guys will see a lot of the winning products products that's currently blowing up, just like this one right here. This product right here is actually currently blowing up, and it's actually a rose that comes with a ring, and look how beautiful this is, boys. It's a forever rose, and it's actually a winning product currently. And if I keep scrolling, I can see a lot of other winning products just like these ones right here. But guys, that's not even the only thing. There is so much more, like TikTok Creative Center. You guys can even view Creative Center, and you guys can get rid of any TikTok logo within one click. Now, as you guys might already know, if you download the TikTok from the Creative Center, it comes with this logo called TikTok or Shop TikTok, and it's annoying. You can't even use the video as an advertisement. But with this tool right here, you can get the video without a watermark. I'm gonna show you guys how. The first thing we do is we search top ads TikTok, and over here I could really choose a product right in my niche, be it in personal care. I could choose last 7 days. I could even choose the language of the advertisement, which could be English, ad format, non-spark ads because you don't want to see the brand. I could even choose the likes. Right over here I have found a winning product like this one that actually gives your nails a gel, and it's literally a winning product right now. Or I could find this eyelash curler. How am I gonna get the advertisement? It's almost impossible, boys. So even if I try to do it, I cannot right click on it. I even cannot download the video if I wanted to. So what is the solution? The solution is quite simple, boys. All you do is literally copy the link on the top and then go to Winning Hunter, paste the URL of the video and get information. Look at the magic right over here, boys. It's gonna get the video without any watermark and download it for you within one click right over here. But that's not it. There is more to it. Now, as you guys already know, there is TikTok ads, there is meta advertising, and there is also sale tracker. You can basically track any of your favorite stores by just putting the link of the store right over here. For example, if I wanted to track Feastables, if I just go to Feastables, copy the link, and then go to sales tracker, start tracking, it's literally gonna start tracking every single sale that happens inside Feastable, and I can do this for today, this month, and this week. Now, all you have to do is literally put any of the stores inside over here and check it after a few days, and now you have tracked every single sale that went to their store. The last but not least, boys, magic AI. And right over here we can search for any of the product by just using AI. For example, if I search for dog toy and if I just click on search, I can find different products and different websites that has the dog toy. It's just this easy to find all of the winning products inside your niche. Now, this is Winning Hunter, boys. Winning Hunter is actually giving a special offer to all of my students. If you guys use my link, you're gonna get a special discount, which is 20% off. The link is down in the description. Make sure you guys do not miss out. Alright guys, now that you guys know how to do your product research method, let me tell you guys about the second most important thing. That is the store design. Your design of the store matters a lot after your product, because if you don't add enough information about your product, if the store doesn't look clean, people are not going to buy it again. It has to have maximum level of information, whether it's GIFs, pictures, or videos. It has to have those as the most important thing. Now, if you truly want to get successful, the first thing is of course product. The second thing is of course your theme or your store design or the product information. The third thing, what is the third thing? Let's go to the car and I'm going to tell you guys what the third thing is, inshallah. The third most important thing after product research and after your store design is the way you advertise your product. If you do not know how to advertise your product, you're going to completely fail at dropshipping. And that's why most of the people give up. Now, how can you find the proper strategy? There is plenty of YouTube videos, but if you guys want to use the strategy that I've been using to build my brand into 6 and 7 figures, it's completely available in our mentorship. The mentorship is literally linked down in the description, and you guys can find the whole mentorship in our Discord. And once you join it, inshallah, our team will guide you through the complete process of how to access the course and how to actually get your hands on the TikTok and Snapchat ad strategy that I'm currently using. Now, to top it off, boys, I have my email newsletter down in the description. Make sure you guys sign up for early access to almost anything that I upload, YouTube videos, pictures, or anything, inshallah. And if you guys want to learn how exactly I live this lifestyle and how you can do it, inshallah, again, make sure you sign up for the email newsletter and join the Discord, inshallah.